Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another very useful video for you all. So I'm here with a Motorola G85 Android phone, and this time I'll be showing you how to enable the media controls. Okay, so once you turn the media controls on, you'll be able to use the volume keys to change tracks when the screen is off. Okay, so to turn on the media controls, just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So just pull down the notification panel and go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says sound and vibration. Select it and then scroll all the way down to where it says media controls. Select it, and now we are inside the media controls, and it explains how it works. So to go to the next or previous track when the screen is off, press and hold the volume up or down key. So go ahead and turn on use media controls. Okay, so everything's set up. So let me just demonstrate how it works. So let me go into files, audio, and as you can see, I've got 3 different tracks there. So I'm going to play the first track and then turn the display off and then use the volume up key. Hold down on it. As you can see, the track has changed. If I hold it down again, it's changed again. And if I want to go back, I would hold down the volume down button instead. So yeah, that's how you skip the tracks when the screen is off using the media controls on the Motorola G85. So all you have to do is just press and hold down the volume up button. And if you want to go back, just hold down the volume down button. So yeah, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.